I paid. Welcome to the channel, man. We're gonna keep this intro short. My name is Tech Sands, man, and this is our very first vehicle on this channel. All right, this is gonna be my auto channel, man, and we're gonna start with this OBS. It's gonna be our first OBS build. All right, I don't know how crazy I'm gonna go with it, man. I personally just wanted one for my own personal reasons, man. I wasn't even gonna turn this into content, but I said, why not record it? All right, so man, if y'all want to stay along for that journey, make sure y'all subscribe right now, and let's get straight into this truck right here. All right, so this is a 1997 GMC 1500. All right, put down in the comments right now what y'all think I paid for it. I did get it off marketplace, and I would tell y'all what the original price was listed on marketplace. It was $3,500. So I want y'all to tell me down in the comments what y'all think I paid for it. Later on in the video, I will tell y'all exactly what I paid for it. But I feel like I got it for a steal, but I'm gonna let y'all be the judge. So we're gonna do like a little walk around, man. I drove it about an hour to get here. So yes, it does drive and run. I made a marketplace run last night. I had paid a mechanic $100 to go check it out first. The mechanic was like, I don't know, man. And I was like, man, you think it'll drive an hour to where I live? And he said, yeah, it should make it. The engine's strong, the transmission strong. So yeah, I caught an Uber over there to get it, and this is the very next day. So first thing I noticed in the pictures was this body damage right here. Again, I'm not looking for a perfect vehicle. I'm looking for kind of a project that I can have fun with. So there's some body damage right there. The tires, I mean, Lord have mercy. Honestly, look at that, that's a nail. I don't even know how I made it all the way here, man. When I'm telling y'all, I feel like I was driving through an earthquake. I don't know how I made it back, all right? Not only that, it's a few things I didn't see in the pictures. One of the main things I didn't see in the pictures was this cracked windshield. This windshield's cracked like crazy. And that's the thing about Marketplace, man. On Marketplace, people don't take good pictures, right? So, you know, when you get to the vehicle in person, you're like, yo, what's really going on, all right? I personally think this truck been sitting for a while now. I mean, look, bro. Oh my God. I mean, golly, bro. Scary, scary business, all right? But overall, I mean, what y'all think in the comments, man? Overall, I think it's not bad at all, okay? Let's go ahead, hop inside real quick. Look at this interior. This interior is, again, this is, to me, I mean, this is nice. All right, nice and comfortable. I like it, man. I'll point out some of the flaws. You know, door handle, no surprise there. You know, this for the trunk. I mean, for the hood. You know what I'm saying? Little, you know. Yeah, we got a little airbag. Wait, did that? Oh, whoa. Oh yeah, okay. So we definitely been in a wreck. Cool, that's fun. Yeah, man. You know, it's definitely gonna be a project. Both windows work. Blinkers work. I don't know what that ticking noise is though. Like if y'all know, put it down in the comments. Like y'all hear it ticking? It sounds like a blinker's on, but I don't know. Radio is good. The only thing, only one speaker work though. That speaker over there work, that one over there don't work. What else? AC blows. So that's good. Or maybe it just needs some Freon. Or actually, it ain't nothing blowing out of it. I don't know, we'll see. And yeah, man. Let's go make sure all the lights actually work. You know, I did drive it an hour here, so should be good. All right, so look, yep. Left blinker work. Right blinker work. Pretty sure both brake lights work, you know. Hold on, I'm tripping. Let's see. Front lights work, front blinker work. Let's try the other one. Yep, she's good to go too. Windshield wipers good. Yeah, man. I mean, for the most part, you know, almost everything works. Let's crank this thing up real quick so y'all can hear it. You know, we got our ABS light on, no surprise there. Check engine light on, no surprise there. Airbag, I wonder why. And yeah, man, that says 330,000 miles on it, okay? Yo! We gonna, let's swap it. Nah, man, we gonna see. Yo, nah, 330 is crazy, all right? Let's pop this hood real quick. Let's look under the hood. I mean, so like overall, I like it. I like it. So, did have this little oil leak right here, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna try to figure out what that is at some point. But overall, man, I think it's clean, man. I think it's clean for what I paid. So, drum roll, please. I paid $1,200 for this truck, all right? So I initially talked to him and I said, yo, you know, he had listed for 34, but he had it up for like 2 months. So I immediately went into my low ball, right? Said 2,000. And he said 2,100. So I said sold, right? Now again, in the pictures, a lot of the problems that I see in person, I didn't see, right? Cracked windshield, and a lot of stuff on the interior, man. I asked him a lot of times, like, what's wrong with it? Anything wrong with it? Outside of the damage on the side, where, you know what I'm saying? Anything else? He was like, no. Only the AC. All right, the AC does blow. We're gonna throw some Freon in there and see if that's the problem, but the AC blows, so I'm hoping it's just Freon. But yeah, he was like, no. So I'm like, all right, cool. So, you know, I hop in my Uber and I'm prepared to spend $2,100, right? I was gonna try to get him down to 2,000, but anyways, I'm prepared to spend that. All right, so I'm already 100 in with the mechanic. And then I get there and then it's kind of dark, it's kind of in, and I'm going through everything. And honestly, for a second, I was like, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get this, man. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. So then I told him, like, you know, I can't do 21, dog. I said, you know what I'm saying? What's your bottom dollar? And we went back and forth, man. And I straight up told him, because at this point I ain't even want to get it, but it was an hour-long Uber ride. So I'm like, I said I'll give you 1,000 for it. And he said 15. I said, I don't really want it at this point, right? So anyways, we went back and forth and he said 1,200, please. And he said, please, I ain't gonna please got me. So when he said please, I said, all right, bet. And gave him the money and now here we are, all right? Now I bet y'all, like, I don't know if y'all think that's a good deal or not. Y'all let me know in the comments. I think it's a good deal, 1,200. The only reason I didn't want it for 1,200, I didn't want it for 1,500 or 1,400 or whatever it was, or even 2,000 is, again, I wasn't looking for a project. I was looking for something that was good to go, and then I could just hop in, ride, throw some wheels on it. But, you know, this gonna be a dope little project, man. It's gonna be some good content, man. So I need y'all help with this. I need y'all to drop down in the comments what I need to do and what order I need to do it, man. Let's build this truck together, man. I'm seriously gonna watch everybody's comments and take it into consideration, man. And yeah, this should be a fun build. So that's gonna be it for this first video, man. Like I said, make sure y'all subscribe, turn your notifications on so y'all hear every time I drop. And yeah, man, y'all see what the next update is on the next video.